Hi everyone! So for today's video, I have a very easy and cute DIY idea for you all. So I'll be showing you how to make a bow headband, and for this you'll need fabric, measuring tape, a pair of scissors, chalk and fabric glue. You can even use hot glue or sewing machine. So start measuring your head like this. So mine came out to be 22 inches, and in fact that's the standard size, so most of you will get that only. And now add 8 inches to it so that you have extra fabric to tie the bow. So the total will be 30 inches. So after cutting, my fabric is 30 inches long and 4 inches wide. This is the wrong side of the fabric and this is the right side. Now apply fabric glue on the right side of the fabric, leaving 2 inches opening at the end. Now join the edges. Now cut both the ends in curved shape like this. Now turn the fabric inside out. And now the final step. Make a bow and it's done. You can even use this to tie your ponytail. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.